with devils. I'm a rebel. Big city goth, bitch. I got several. Bitch, I fuck with devils.
Hello, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in this video we will know how we can edit an PDF and just change its image and the text or add some more text into your PDF file. So in some cases we have created or prepared a document file or just convert it into the PDF. So after that we have to make some changes into our PDF file, so that is not possible to edit your PDF in more cases. But in this video I will tell you how you can edit your PDF. Okay, so when you try to edit an PDF into the any simple or your default browser, it just allow you to highlight it or copy paste your text. Okay, you can't delete or remove the images or the text from your PDF. You can just select it all and make it highlight only or may use pen. Okay, so now I will tell you how you can edit the your text, your PDF into the text into the PDF or images like that. Now you can see this image. I can move this image and change the text or delete it in the PDF. So how it is possible to do? Okay, so want to know this, so please keep your eyes on this video till the end, and now I will tell you how you can do that all. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all you just need to download the one application from the internet, that is the ice cream PDF editor. Okay, wait, that is here. I will give the link in the video description so you can download it from there. So ice cream PDF editor, you can download it from the internet. I will give the link in the video description. So just open it after the installation. Okay, now I'm going to edit this Python PDF. So how we can change the image in this? Just one step on the image, and if you want to move it from here to another location like that, I can move it. Okay, now you can see, that's great. If you want to change the image, then just delete, select the image and delete, press the delete button from your keyboard and go to the add image icon in the left side corner here, in the left side of your application. Just click on it. After that browse for your image which you want to enter into the file. As I want to insert this one and also this one. Just click on open. Now I can set all the images everywhere where I want to edit them. I put it here. I can resize it, you can see, and also I can resize my social usernames, Technical Nikki. Okay, and it's my Facebook username, Technical Nikki. That's great. So now you can see, if you want to change the text into the PDF, just click once. If you want to drag it from here to another location, and if you want to change the font, just double click on it quickly. Okay, like like that, and select all the text and remove it, and now you can type what you want to type or add into your PDF. You can type anything. You can type anything what you want. Okay, but I will make it as the perfect as the first ones, because I no need to change into this. Okay, so now you can see here we can change the PDF. Okay, and if you want to add the more text, just go to the add or edit text section into the left side corner. After whenever you click on it, your cursor is changed, and click on the blank space. Now you can type anything, technical Nikki, and select it all. You can also change its color, make it red, or if you want to make other different, you can select and then click on OK. Okay, if you want to increase its size, you can do that all. You can see technical Nikki. Okay guys, so you like that, you can edit your PDF and make the corrections into your documentation of the office documents and your resumes and your CV, PDFs, notes, and in everything that is in the PDF format. Okay, so you can edit the PDF by the application, that is the Ice Cream PDF editor. And the very important thing is that is completely free. If you want to get its pro version, then you can upgrade to pro. Okay, so I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss an update. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.